After you have checked off products listed on the Stock Not Counted report, any missed products you have found can be updated via Rolling Stocktake. From the Stock Manager module, navigate to the Stock Control menu and select number 2, Rolling Stocktake. In the Rolling Stocktake entry window, select Location in the Sort By drop-down menu. Leave the From and To fields as the default. This will generate the Rolling Stocktake window in the same order as the Stocktake sheets. Select the Stocked Only checkbox. Leave the Negatives Only checkbox unselected. Select the Not Counted checkbox. In the Since the Cutoff Date field, enter the same date that was entered for the Not Counted Stocktake sheets. Then click OK. In the Rolling Stocktake window, double-click the first product to open the Product Stock on Hand edit window. Adjust the quantity counted figure as required. The reason for change can be adjusted, but as this is a stocktake, it should be left on number 1, Count Adjustment. Click OK to close the Product Stock on Hand edit window for this product and open the Product Stock on Hand edit window for the next product on the list. The check symbol will appear to the left of each product as you change the counted quantity. Continue moving through the list. The Product Stock on Hand edit window will close when the last product on the Rolling Stocktake window has a quantity counted entered. Products the pharmacy no longer stock from this list should now have a 0 in the counted column and the check symbol to the left of the product column. To mark these products as not stocked, highlight these items and click Stocked. Click Update to update the stock on hand of all products in this screen. The Rolling Stocktake window will automatically update to the next screen if required. Repeat the process until all products have been updated. Click Cancel to exit the Rolling Stocktake window.